How's everybody doing today? My name is Kevin, and today, what am I doing today? Today, I'm gonna show you how to make pulled buffalo chicken sandwiches in a crock pot. This recipe is crazy simple, that's why I'm doing it. You basically only need like 4 things. You need 2 pounds of chicken thighs, 1 packet of ranch seasoning, some buffalo sauce or hot sauce, and some buns. Maybe toss in a little cheese at the end, maybe put a little pickle on the side. So first thing we're gonna do is take the 2 pounds of chicken thighs that you buy. Mine are thawed, you can do this if they're frozen too. Take those chicken thighs and put them right in the crock pot. Perfect. Next, you're gonna take 1 packet of ranch seasoning, sprinkle that over the top. I didn't know where I might find this in the store, but I just went to the ranch dressing aisle and it was right next to that. So have a look in the ranch dressing aisle. Chop the top off of that. Sprinkle that ranch seasoning right over the top of the chicken. Aim for the chicken so it doesn't get wasted on the bottom of the bowl. Now on to the final step already. You're gonna take 1.5 cups of buffalo sauce or whatever kind of hot sauce you wanna use. I'm not even gonna measure this. I'm just gonna pour it all over till it's like roughly 1.5 cups. Pour that on there. There we go, that's about 1.5 cups. And this thing is all set to go. Put the top on. You can either cook it on high for 4 hours or low for 8 hours. Pull apart the chicken as it cooks. Otherwise, if you come home later and it's already done, you can always pull it apart at the end too. Once this stuff is all cooked up, scoop it onto some buns, and you guys are all set to go. Hope you guys like this recipe, and I will see you guys later.